When you do software selection and there is no perfect fit for the customer and you still want to deliver value, you start building your own solution. That's why we started with Mendix. We added domain knowledge, transport or logistics or construction or healthcare, and add then the technical knowledge. We only focus on business processes that can't be done with commercial off-the-shelf software. So if you can buy it, you should buy it. If you can't buy it, we are the ones that fix all the gaps. Sometimes customers come to us, we need a solution based on domain knowledge, like customer portals. The internal systems might be a financial system, it might be an ERP, even if it's internally 6 or 7 systems. If the customer wants to have one overview of what's happening for them, we make sure that there's one interface, so we can show them everything in one page. When we started with Mendix, we soon saw that you don't build the application by itself, so integration is a big part. Therefore, we built eMagiz, an integration platform as a service, which means we can do millions of records in a second and exchange that data. So it's not only about technology with AI, which is popular right now, but to get the data in place, you need to be able to move volumes around. 90% of the project we do with AI is about data governance, is about transformation of data. So we have our own integration ePass platform where we can make sure that all the data is at the right moment in the right time available for an AI to leverage. So if you do a project, that's 90% of the work and only 10% is AI. Gen AI is now the hype. But when the hype is over, we will see a lot of increase in knowledge graphs like Graph Studio of RapidMiner to be a semantic layer on top of your business process where you can leverage AI real time. You can only build really good software if you understand the business of the customer. So we are focusing on the domain knowledge, which means you start with one company, you understand their business needs and translate solutions you've built to different customers in the same area. It's about understanding the problem of the customer and then translating it to solutions. So we work closely together with Siemens. We have a customer right now with OpCenter, but there is a specific need for allergen information, which is not part of OpCenter. So we take that part, build it in the Mendix app and make sure that the data flows freely and the single source of truth is kept in every system. But we also work with other Siemens partners because everybody has their own expertise. And that's the power of the ecosystem. Together you can deliver more.